Good morning. Today we're in the middle of absolutely everything, hindered by nothing. We're on the south side of a cul-de-sac street. Welcome to 1880 Palmerston Avenue. You can Google this, you can search it, but you won't find anything, and the reason why? This is the first time this property has been on the market since 1962. 6 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms. The options here are really quite endless. You've got pleasant ocean and city views. It sits on an 85 frontage lot, and that's important to remember. You could renovate, you could actually put tenants in place until you get your building plans approved. With this whole new densification thing, am I crazy to talk about maybe subdividing? I think of the Chinese proverb, the person who asks the question is only silly for a minute. The person who never asks, stupid for a lifetime. My name's Patrick O'Donnell with Royal LePage Sussex, right here in West Vancouver. Ask some questions. I'll be happy to answer them. Enjoy the day.